Hello guys, can I take you to the Bluetooth transfer from this phone to this phone? This is my activated phone, and this is my non-activated phone. So first I'm going to go to here, I'm going to settings on this phone, and I'm going to Bluetooth, this phone, then I'm going to send picture. You can do any of those options, but I just prefer to send pictures. We're going to hit this one, done, and then when I open this phone, it's going to ask you to do this. You're going to hit accept. Then next we're going to down to you're going to photos, if I can find it. And yeah, now I have the phone there. So bye.